Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. 20V cordless impact wrench from PARKSIDE, the model PASSK 20LIC4 with battery and charger. One battery series over 100 devices, compatible with all X20V Team Series devices. 4Ah 20V Li-ion technology battery included at the box, self-balancing, 3 years warranty, torque levels 100, 150, 200, 300 and maximum 400 Nm. No load rotation speed from 0 to 2300 RPM, impact rate from 0 to 3000 ppm. Accessories included, and let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. New case. Okay, I like the old more. We have the manual, plenty of space, and for second battery, 8Ah professional battery, you can install here. Included we have the regular 4Ah battery. The charger with a cable length 1.5 meters. Green light fully charged, red light is charging. Fast charger 4.5 amp. And we have an output 21.5 volt, 4.7 amps, 120 watts. Silicone pads, screw holes, you can mount it at the wall, like that. And of course we have the sockets. 4 sockets, starting from 17mm, 19mm, 21mm, chrome vanadium, and the larger 23mm. And of course the battery, soft elements around the battery, the button for the battery capacity. I will charge it before starting the test, and the tool. It feels quite heavy, robust housing, soft elements around, and at the trigger. Left and right rotation switch, at the center it locks the trigger. We have the belt clip here, and we need the battery to use this tool. LED working light, the torque button with 5 different indications. This is the maximum, 300, 200, 150 and 100. And from 100, pressing the button, it goes at maximum 400 Nm. Okay, the housing, metal housing at the front, the tool holder for one of the sockets, nice. Ventilation here at the tool. It's not a brushless motor. So let's give it a charge, the battery, and start the test. Yep, it's charging. And as we can hear, this is the fast charger and it has fan inside to cool down the internal parts when it's charging. And as I was expecting, it's not quite powerful to remove the bolts and nuts from my car. Maybe for a less demanding work will do the job. So I'm not going to waste any more my time on this. If you are looking for a powerful, no-nonsense tool to tackle stubborn bolts and nuts, this may just become your new best friend in the garage. And I'm talking for the PARKSIDE Performance 20V cordless impact wrench. It's definitely a better choice. You can check the video for this tool right in the corner in a few seconds, or at the description. And that's a wrap on the PARKSIDE 20V cordless impact wrench. Another disappointment, same and as the oldest model. Not the right choice for anyone who needs power, portability and reliability for their DIY or automotive projects. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest tool reviews and demos. Have you tried this impact wrench? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences. Thanks for watching, keep those bolts tight, and I'll see you in the next one.